there, gaming enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of uninstalling a game from Steam on your PC. Whether you're making room for new adventures or simply decluttering your library, uninstalling a game from Steam is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully uninstalled a game from Steam on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.